Hello, let me blow your mind with some statistics. Perhaps you already know about the trend, but you don't know the numbers behind. Children now, on average basis, play outdoors for only 4 to 7 minutes daily. That means they play 50% less than our generation. And that is the problem. Modern day society, school schedules, pressure after school activities, loss of homework. And right now we're moving more and more towards structured activities where you have an adult who is steering affairs of that particular activity, and that particular activity already have predetermined rules, and these children participate without any creativity. In this video, I'm going to show you why unstructured outdoor play is very essential for your child development. And not only that, I will also give you some tips for you to try now so that you can activate that enthusiasm in your child, so that your child can go out and play. And just because unstructured play, when you see the children sitting and running, sitting outside on the floor and running after each other, laughing, climbing trees, it is not just a play or waste of time. It is the foundation of child development. And when these children lack play, as they do right now, their creativity is being dampened. Lack of play simply means low creativity, weaker social skills, higher stress and anxiety levels, and obese children. Okay? Now, this is why play matters. When children play, they are learning to solve problems. They are learning to express their emotions. They are learning to build friendship. They are learning about social codes. And they are learning to understand the world around them. Play helps with child brain development. It also improves their physical coordination. Hands, legs, they should coordinate, and brain activity. And it is only through play that children can learn this ability. And then the best part is that children don't even know that it is learning. It is not the structured learning in the classroom. This is the natural way for every child to learn. They're just having fun to them. Meanwhile, huge learning processes are taking place when children are engaged in unstructured activities. Now, what is it that you as a parent can do to bring back your child to the old levels, to promote unstructured play at home? First of all, we have to understand that even screen use takes about 7 hours of your child's time daily. Now schools are beginning to use screens, and children are having screens at home. There is huge social network created out there on screens, and children rather spend time on screens. So you have to minimize the use of screens at home. So you have to create screen-free zones at home. Dining table, no screen. Bedroom, no screens. Kitchen, no screens. Create room where your child can just be in the room and be bored without doing anything. And then often you see that when they are bored, they start looking for something to do. The creativity is being awakening. Okay? And then during the weekends, make sure that your children engages in physical activity. At least 3 hours. Let them go for a walk, morning walk, go to the park, send them outside for them to play. This way, they would start finding back the joy in being involved in unstructured activity. Now, what has been your childhood activity? Write it in the comment section. Hope you have learned something today, and catch you in the next video. Bye.